Imagine walking a customer through two completely different proposals. On one side, you have the standard quote most CCTV installers send, a plain price list with camera model numbers, hardware specs, and a total price. No visual context, just lines on a page. Now, picture you pull up their actual floor plan right in front of them on site using MAPOG. You map out every single camera angle and show them their exact coverage map in real time, before your crew ever touches a wall. If you're running a CCTV installation business, you've probably lost a deal not because of your pricing or your cameras, but because your customer never actually saw what they were approving. They sign off because they trust you, not because they understand the coverage. And when the install doesn't match what they pictured in their head, you're the one fielding the call. Instead, show them the exact plan beforehand with CCTV Design Tool inside the field sales and service workspace. Upload the floor plan and scale it to real-world dimensions in a couple of clicks. Instead of dropping generic pins, you place actual camera models with real fields of view. Watch what happens when you position a camera near the main entrance. The software calculates coverage against the real walls automatically. Any blind spot shows up right on the canvas, before your technician drills a single hole. As you add the NVR, switches, and draw out the cabling, the platform is tracking it all. And here's the part that saves you the most time. As you build the layout, the itemized quotation is being generated in the background. Cameras, cabling, networking gear, labor, all calculated automatically from what you placed on the plan. Once you're done, you don't email a scattered PDF or send screenshots on WhatsApp. You share one link, or a QR code the customer can scan right there on the walkthrough. Why does this change the conversation? Because when your customer can see their own building with cameras mapped onto it, and the price tied directly to that layout, they stop asking why is this so expensive and start asking when can you start. And if they want to change, you're not exporting a new PDF and starting a new WhatsApp thread. You adjust the layout, the shared link updates, and the customer always sees the current version. One document, no confusion, no arguing later about what was agreed. If you're tired of losing deals to guesswork or fielding disputes after installation, this is what fixes it. Build the plan, show the plan, close the deal. For any questions or a walkthrough of the CCTV design tool for your team, reach out at support@mapog.com.